Dear students, in JEE 2003, this question was from chapter Electric Charges and Electric Fields. The question is, 3 charges minus Q1 plus Q2 and minus Q3 are placed as shown in the figure. The x component of the force on minus Q1 is proportional to what? How the charges are arranged, that is given to you in this figure. Options are A. Q2 upon B square minus Q3 upon A square cos theta. B. Q2 upon B square plus Q3 upon A square sin theta. C. Q2 upon B square plus Q3 upon A square cos theta. D. Q2 upon B square minus Q3 upon A square sin theta. Now see here, the arrangement of the charges that is given to you minus Q1, that is at the origin. Q2, that is positive charge, it is on x-axis at distance B. And minus Q3, that is at distance A in the direction making an angle theta with positive y-axis in second quadrant. Clear? Now see here. First, if we think about the force on minus Q1 by Q2, then Q2 is positive, Q1 is negative, so force will be attractive, that is towards Q2. So we can say that force will be in x direction. So we can write force F1, that is K Q1 Q2 upon distance square, that is B square, and it is in x direction, so multiply by I caret. Now Q3, that is negative. So negative will exert the repulsive force on minus Q1. Suppose that force is F2, that is in the direction as shown in the figure, which is also making an angle theta with negative y-axis. So here, if we take components of this force F2 in x direction, then that is F2 sine theta I caret. And in y direction, that will be negative y. So minus F2 cos theta j caret. So here, the force on minus Q1 due to minus Q3, suppose that is F2, so we can write force F2, that is F2 sine theta I caret minus F2 cos theta j caret. And magnitude wise, we can write here this F2, that is K Q1 Q3 upon A square. Now here we want the x component of the net force acting on minus Q1. So x component, two forces are acting, F1 and F2. So we have to consider x component of both the forces F1 and F2. So x coordinate of resultant force acting on minus Q1, that is Fx equal to F1x plus F2x, and that is F1x, that is F1 itself because it is in x direction itself here, and x component of F2 force, that is F2 sine theta. So that is F2 sine theta. Now substitute the values of F1 and F2, K Q1 Q2 upon B square plus K Q1 Q3 upon A square sine theta. So here if we take K Q1 common, then we can write Fx, that is K Q1 into Q2 upon B square plus Q3 upon A square sine theta. So our option, that is B. So here if we take this Q1 constant, then we can write Fx proportional to Q2 upon B square plus Q3 upon A square sine theta. So answer is B. Clear to all of you?